Good morning. Installation video of a gaugengo assembly to a Hitachi NV65AH sighting coil nailer. Pull your bushing and air fitting. Pull your basket perch screw. Drop the assembly on. You'll get a new coupler, washer, 3mm button head screw. Tighten the screw most of the way, not all the way. You want to center line the shoe to the nose of the gun. It is pretty well self-aligning. Box in recommended. And there you have it. Installation in under a minute. And now you're ready to gauge and go. Thanks for watching.